Welcome, dear students. Here we are one more time. This time, I'm gonna talk to you about self-study guide for vowels and diphthong sounds that it will be covered during this week. Okay, in this guide, the themes are practical class to get familiar with the vowel phonemes and recognize the use the IPA for vowel sounds and diphthongs. Okay, the IPA is the International Phonetic Alphabet. The main objective of this guide is number one, learner get familiar with the vowels and diphthong phonemes, and number two, learners practice IPA vowel symbols and their sounds, short, long, and diphthongs. This is very important to know because this is what you need to achieve when you study this guide and do all the different activities. What do I need to do in this self-study guide? Well, you have to work in this self-study guide according to the 5 instructions given by the facilitator. So the instructions are: 1. We will be using the textbook, The Sounds of English, a practical course in British English pronunciation. Number 2, you have to read carefully the main goals or objectives, and in this way you will realize the main aspect and emphasis of the knowledge you need to develop and accomplish. Number 3, in your book, go to page number 7 and pay attention to the different vowels and diphthong sounds and practice them with the audio of the book. This is very important, okay? So you have to do this before any other activity. You have to get familiar with the sounds of the different vowels and diphthongs sounds. Number 4, check the additional material shared by the facilitator through Classroom. In the Classroom site, there are some additional information related to vowel sounds and diphthong sounds that are very important and very useful for you to continue practicing. Remember that practicing the sounds is the key to master pronunciation and phonetics, okay? Because you get familiar with not only the symbols but also how to produce the sound that the symbols represent. And after you have checked the textbook, the audios, and the material, additional material, you have to answer a general quiz, which is pretty much activities that you are going to do in order to strengthen your knowledge of vowels and diphthong sounds. Okay, activities to do in the self-study guide after you watch the videos and study the page suggested by your facilitator of the course book. So as activity, you have number 1, you have to answer the following questions. Which are the IPA or IPA symbols for short vowel sounds? You have to write them down and give 4 examples for each sound. Okay. B, which are the International Phonetic Alphabet symbols for long vowel sounds? And also you have to write down examples of each sound. And part C, this is very important and it's part of the practice. You have to record an audio of yourself. First, you pronounce the sound and then read the example words. You can use the same example words for the sounds on page number 7 of your textbook, The Sounds of English, a practical course in British English pronunciation. And after you practice and you feel comfortable, please send the audio that you record to the WhatsApp group so I can hear the sound that you produce. This is very important and also is part of the exercises that you need to do in this self-study guide. Okay, a second exercise in the guide, self-study guide, is look for 7 words with short vowel sounds, 7 words with long vowel sounds, and 7 words with diphthong sounds. You have to write the symbol that they use next to the word. There is a chart right there where you're gonna do it, and we have some examples right there. For instance, for a short vowel sound, we have the word put. So I use the IPA symbol for the short oo sound. Another example is for long vowel sound, and that's the word to. Okay, so the international phonetic alphabet symbol is right there. Okay, and you have to do the same with the others. And another example is for diphthong sound. Okay, so in this case I use the word boy. Okay, so next to it I put the international phonetic alphabet symbol, okay, which is right there written on the chart. Okay, so you have to do the same every time you write the word according if it's a short vowel sound, it's a long vowel sound, it's a diphthong sound, and then you write the symbol that you use that corresponds to short vowel sound, long vowel sound, or diphthong sound. Okay, don't forget to do that. Okay, in this part you have the bibliography and video links to be used or for further practice of the vowels and diphthong sounds. Right here we have the course book, okay, and then which is the Sounds of English ebook and audio. Okay, that's the one that we're using. And also we have some other video links that can help you out to practice more. Remember that it's very important to practice all the sounds so we can master them, we can use them correctly. So right there we have one that is just for vowel sounds. Okay, you just can Google that and find the YouTube video. You have the link right there. And the other one is diphthong sounds. That is also a YouTube video. Both are very clear and guide you step by step or little by little through every single sound separately, so you learn words and also you learn the phonetic symbols and the sound for each phonetic symbol. This is very important. Also, you can get into www.bbc.co.uk/learning/feature/pronunciation. Right there you will find a lot of videos, so you choose the one with the sound that is difficult for you, so you listen many times and practice them correctly. Remember that it's very important to pay attention to the mouth of the person saying the phonetic symbol, okay, because that helps us out also to reproduce the phonetic symbol in the same way. This is very important. I hope you enjoy all the videos and the practice and also the study guide. So thank you for your time and also for the willingness to learn phonetics to improve your pronunciation. Okay, we will see you in class. Bye bye.